What's going on, y'all? So today I'm going to do a quick mod on my Hellcat. I got a LegMaker cooler intake that just got delivered, so I'm going to unbox it for y'all and then I'm going to put it on, take the car for a spin so y'all can hear it. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, so let's open it up, see what we got. All right, so this should be the rain plate. I know a lot of people said they didn't get theirs, but mine's came with it, so cool, because I did not want to buy that. All right, this should be the actual filter. So I'll open that up for y'all. See what else we got. All right, that's the big part. All right. Alright, got the clamps, the other small piece that the clamp go onto, and then we'll open this up in 1 second. Alright, got this one open. So I do got the red air filter, and then everything else. Alright, let's head to the garage. Let's install this bad boy. This all was $500 and something in total. I know this by itself is like 75 plus with tax. You're looking at like right at 100, I think 110. All right, let's go install this thing. All right, y'all, so far, got these unloosened, took this bolt out. This one right here we took out. And then this piece, which is up here, that came out of there. And then we just need to tug this part. It's really in there before we pop everything else out. And that was also connected. All right, be right back. All right, y'all, so we got the old one out. I'll put the new one in. All right, y'all, everything is on. Only thing we gotta do now is put the plate on top so that we make sure it don't know where to get to the air filter. All right, everything is now on. I'm gonna hop in so you guys can hear it. Alright, y'all, so that was me putting in the LegMaker intake, switching from the stock one, letting y'all hear how it sounds, and stay tuned for some more videos and some more content. Peace out.